Hey guys, welcome back to Antonio's Kitchen. Today we'll make from your ordinary burger the best burger you ever had. We'll make Antonio's burger.
The ingredients that we'll use for our patty. We use a beautiful grounded beef, and 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 egg yolk, some soya sauce, and some smoked paprika powder.
So you'll see the texture will be one combined product. And the last product I will add to this, just to give some saltiness, I won't add salt, I will use soya sauce. So it's like 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. So from this you can make 2 perfectly well-made patties. In the meantime you can prepare the other garnish. So for our sweet sour onion, we have some apple cider. It's 1 cup of apple cider and 2 teaspoons of sugar. We'll just heat it up, just bring it to a boil. As your sweet sour marinade is made, you can cut the onion. So just peel the onion first. You can cut the up and the bottom of the onion. Peel it, slice to half, and then just some thin half rings of onions. I take red onion because the flavor fits nice with the burger, but also the color will really make a nice look at your burger. And for sure when it goes into the sweet sour marinade, the pink color comes out much more. So now we add the onion. Stir it a bit. So when your sweet sour onion is ready, just put it in a bowl and keep it on the side. I also prefer to wrap the bowl of the onion so it can steam a little bit, still with the heat, and the marination will go better through the onion. If you have a vacuum machine, of course you can put it in a vacuum bag and then the marination goes straight into the onion. Okay, next time. So now we have our patty, we have our sweet sour onions. Now we go to the sauce. For me, this is a really nice sauce. It has some spiciness in it, but also the nice flavor of garlic. I really like garlic in any of my food. If you have garlic paste, it's fine as well to use, or garlic powder, but we use fresh garlic. So first I'll chop it in small pieces. While I'm doing that, I'll add some salt on top. If you do that, it will create some puree out of it, because actually it also keeps the garlic together and the juice of the garlic comes out. By doing this, it's much easier to chop it while the salt is on top. Okay, so once your garlic is chopped, you can add it to the mayonnaise. So it's around 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 clove of garlic, and then we have around 1 teaspoon of sambal or any other chili sauce you can add to, but sambal will do the perfect way. And then we also use around a tablespoon of olive oil to get that aioli effect. So then we mix it nice together. And what you want to look for is that orange, nice colored, creamy aioli. It's always important to taste and see if all the spices comes out. It's spicy, garlic flavor is there, and it's creamy still, so it's perfect. We add some oil into the pan. I use some sunflower oil, but you could use also corn oil or any other oil that is resistant to high heat frying. Once your pan is hot enough, you can add slowly your patty into the pan. Make sure it's a non-sticky pan, and while it's in the pan, try to shake it a little bit so the oil will be around your patty, but still stay gentle with your patty because it can also break very easily. Turn on the oven. I turned on 200 degrees Celsius. It's just to put your burger later on in the oven with some cheese to melt your cheese as well. So when you fried your burger on each side around 2 minutes, it will be good enough because it will also get the heat from the oven, and there on you will prepare it further. You don't want a dry burger, you're looking for that nice pink color still from the inside. So next time, before we will put the burgers in the oven, I'll put some cheese on top of it. So try to break your cheddar cheese a little bit in pieces and put it a little bit on top of each other, because it will melt anyway around the burger. So when your oven is warm enough, you can put your burgers into the oven. So meanwhile, our meat is in the oven. We'll prepare the buns. So first we'll sear the buns a little bit with butter into the pan, and then we'll decorate it with the rest of our garnish. So we're almost getting to the best point of it, and that's eating it, of course. But first, we're gonna design our patties. So I'll prefer to add first the lettuce underneath. So actually the lettuce acts as for protecting your bun to not getting too juicy from the burger and the sauce, and of course also the onions. So we lay it down like a shell, and over it we'll design the rest of the burger. So after we add the lettuce, we'll add some of our chili aioli, and then a little bit of the sweet sour red onions. Once we have done that, we'll add the burger on top of it. So as you can see, the cheese has nicely melted over the burger. So it's a nice compact burger now. We add a little bit more of the chili aioli because I love spicy. So we'll just add it on top of the bun, spread it out a little bit, and that's it. We're at that moment I've been waiting for, and I hope you as well, to enjoy this lovely burger. I hope you enjoyed this video, and believe me, while you will try this, This will be your best burger you ever had. And add some homemade fries to it to make it complete. Enjoy! Ciao amigo!